Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to change your age on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe to fix it for more tutorials. The first step is to go to your App Store or the Google Play Store and make sure that your app is updated. If we have the latest version of Instagram installed, since this is a new feature, if it says update, then update the app and open it. Now go to your Instagram profile, then the three lines at the top right of the screen, and we want to open the settings and privacy, which is the first option. Now, in order to change our age on Instagram, we have to tap on the account center option at the top. Then under account settings, let's open this personal details section and you will see the date of birth options, so open it. Click on edit right here. Now simply change your birth date to whatever you want. And when you are finished, tap on the save button to save your changes. And that's how you can easily change your age on Instagram. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to fix it. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.